The state called 7 witnesses, but before the first one even took the stand, 2 jury members were dismissed. One because they came in close contact with someone who tested positive for COVID. The other for watching a news story about the trial after she was picked to be on the jury. Family and friends of Jacqueline Smith zeroed in on every word and exhibit in the murder trial of her husband Keith, who is charged with stabbing her to death. In her opening statements, prosecutor Chandra Hanna provided a possible motive. Detectives were able to get a wiretap for his phone and learned that he moved to Florida and that there was an insurance policy on Jacqueline Smith. Police also discovered through that wiretap that Smith looked into whether he needed a passport to flee to Mexico, the Virgin Islands, or Canada. Texas Rangers captured Smith and his daughter Valeria about 20 miles away from the Mexican border. In her opening statements, Smith's attorney, public defender Natalie Finnegar, told the jury, what's missing there is evidence that Keith Smith did something aside from not telling the truth. Keith Smith told police a panhandler attacked his wife Jacqueline as she tried to give the person money as they drove on Valley Street in East Baltimore. Today, the jury heard his 911 call where he mentioned the panhandler. Prosecutors also played a video of Smith's press conference he held soon after the murder detailing what happened. Valeria is expected to be a key witness in the case. The prosecutor told the jury she will testify her dad planned the murder, that he stabbed his wife multiple times, that he came up with a story about the panhandler and insisted they flee to Mexico. Meanwhile, the defense went after Valeria's credibility, saying in court, the evidence is going to show that she gets a promise. She gets to walk away from this, max 10 years. She can walk away from this. When you look at the evidence, you're just left with more questions. Valeria will testify next week. Today, a detective detailed why police didn't buy the panhandler story. An assistant medical examiner says that Jacqueline died from rapidly fatal stab wounds. She said there were 5. Reporting live from the Mitchell Courthouse downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.